All right, it's Monday, December 16th. I'm buying some ROKU 80 calls here at 436. This is on a secondary kind of move intraday here that kind of you could see. In a second, I'll show you why this was kind of a big three bar relative to the previous day, but then it moved higher here. We had an orderly pullback in the green bar here. So obviously I'm looking for another push to the highs of the day, the pre-market highs up here. The context is you have an up day here. It kind of failed on the downside. That's what I wanted to show you. On the three bar, we made lower lows right out of the gates and then immediately higher highs relative to this bar. So if this is just gonna, if it doesn't kind of make lower lows, higher highs, and then back to lower lows, then this broadening action wants to broaden to the next highest time frame, which then takes out these two, bars right here and this one, and then up here. I like the fact that there was a big weekly move up with heavy volume, then it kind of pausing here at a logical pause area. I've taken out that pivot, but there's definitely, an opportunity for another push up to those highs above 87, and then even beyond that, in the big picture up into to the 100 area. So something, developed here on the buy side, a couple little pausing here, but now we're getting essentially what I'm going to call a 2-up day, even though it's a 3-day, taking out the lower lows, higher highs. If we're not going to then start vacillating back to lower lows, we're likely heading to the next broadening targets up here. And that's why I want to use this intraday structure here on this first pullback green bar to buy some calls and see by the end of the day, do we head up to the highs of the day, the pre-market highs? Does this bar close green? And in the overall big picture, do we make another run up, at least initially, to that 87 area? So let's see what develops here on ROKU in the in the afternoon and then in the days ahead.